Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make the most annoying noise ever, which it really is. You can annoy anyone with this. So, first you gotta get your paper and scissors. Well, you don't have to get scissors, but I recommend it. So, you wanna cut, like here, no, you wanna cut maybe like about here, something like that. And then just keep cutting until like I stop pretty much. Like you should cut about there. Perfect. And then you just want to cut this out. It's hard to do well. Well, I'll just do it anyway. Okay, so you want to cut down like that. Cut it out. And you got a rectangle paper thingy. So then you want to fold. You just want to fold it in half. Okay, sorry. We want to fold it in half. Okay. I folded it. Now you want to go like that. You want to see it? Okay. Can you see me? I went there to there. Fold it like that. Maybe. Oh, sorry, my bad. Actually, fold like back to there. Alright, sorry for all the confusion. I know this is. Yeah, okay, so then fold the same amount there too. Can you see what? And then bring this up like that. See, now what I have? Look at, now I have this weird looking thingy. So, this is where it really gets weird. You want to cut 2 triangles about this size. So, like on the bottom here, cut 2 triangles about this wide. Okay, see, I cut a triangle. This is a good size for your triangle. Maybe a little bigger. Actually, I recommend a little bigger. Okay. So then just do that again on the opposite side, which for me is right here. Cut the triangle. And yeah, I got it. So then I got there. And you pretty much got it. So okay, now see, you want to put it between your you want to put it between your middle finger and the finger next to your pinky. Okay, so I would go like this. See how I did it? Okay. So between your middle finger and the finger next to your pinky. Alright? Then I'm not gonna do it for long, but it can get a lot louder. Alright, so you wanna go just here, blow up the end around here. It's a lot louder than just blowing in the middle. So blow at the end where your fingers really are in there, and it'll get a lot more noise. But I'm not sure if mine will make too much noise because I made the triangles a little too small. But I'll try anyways. Yep. It's this thing. Okay. And I'm just gonna say it gets a lot louder. Okay. Bye YouTube.